So this is all of my pieces I've done so far. There's 50 total. I've done 27. So I've got a good chunk done. And then I'll put the I'll hang them up afterwards. Put the little strings on there. I really like Baymax here. I really like my minion. I like Patrick. I like Harry Potter there. These are supposed to be Eve from Wall-E. Somewhat like my Care Bear there. Or Care Bird. Like how that one turned out. Yeah, I like that one. That's supposed to be Bibble from Barbie. This is supposed to be Hoodwink from Harry Potter with the house robes on. This is just abstract design that I made the other day. This is supposed to be Mickey Mouse. I don't really like that one. This is the exploding bird from Angry Birds. And then there's the hug bird. Then red, and then Share Bear. And that is all that I've done so far. Now my sister's favorite is...
Okay, I really like this one.
Baymax.
Baymax. I like Patrick. Harry Potter. Funshine, I think, is my favorite one of all of them.
Oh.
I like this. What's his name?
Hoodwink, I think?
Yeah, him.
I think Hoodwink's a girl.
Oh, her. Red. Bibble, and then your own creation that I don't think is your own creation. I'm pretty sure this exists somewhere.
Okay.
Those are my favorites.
All right. Thank you for your perspective.